Okay, so let's pick up where we left off. We're in number 12. Which of the what's value of x makes this equation true? Since that decimal there, I'm going to go ahead and just solve it. I'm not going to even think. Really basic. Menu 3, 1, 1.25, parentheses, 4x minus 10 equals 7.5, comma, x. 4. Okay. The graph of a linear function passes through points -9 and the slope of -3. 1, -9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right here. And the slope of a -3. So I'm going to this one. Remember the slopes. Mr. Slope, positive, negative slope. Undefined, 0. Okay, so I'm going to go with this slope of a -3. Instead of going down 1, 2, 3 over 1, I'm going to go up and to the left. I'm going to look at it like that, okay? So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Let's see, make sure -2. Yeah, -2 there. Okay, the slope, guys, -3. Remember, -3 is equal to -3 over 1, which is also equal to 3 over a -1. So I'm going to rise of 3, run -1 to the left. So where is it? I'm going to go 1, down 9, up, right there. And once you see this, guys, list and spreadsheets, and it says linear. What is the rate of change? That's your slope. Okay? The table shows a linear relationship between the average height and feet of trees on a tree farm and the number of years since the tree was planted. Okay? Years grow on, the height gets bigger. What is the rate of change of the average height and feet of the trees on the farm with respect to the number of years? I'm going to use that since it says linear. Rate of change. You can see it here. It's 2, right? 14, 7. Let me just do this in spreadsheets. Double check. 110. 110, and then...
Yeah, so I put it just so you can turn it in. And shows you that everyone purchased grade. Here's been submitted as a B, and then I'll return it with the grade.
And there it is. Rate of slope, rate of change, your rate of change, your slope, 7. So I'm going to tell you this. These are super easy. This one is right here. No, it's dotted. Out. Out. Shaded above. This is just a reading question, guys. Super easy. A customer store paid $60 for large candles and small candles. 3x and 4y. At the same store, paid for more than the first customer account. Hold on real quick. Okay, on this next one, we're just going to go through it real quick. Sorry about that, guys. X and y, and then go to 64. Where 3x plus 4y equals 64. Those go together. At the same time, a second customer paid 4 more than the first customer, so this one paid 64, this one paid 4 more, so that's 68. large candles, X, small candles, Y. At the same time, if it six more, and one large candle, large 1X. We don't like 1X, which is right, X. And 8 small candles and 8Y. And I'm going to put this right here. 3X plus 4Y. This one's X. I like that one really good. What in the what's the difference between these two? Oh, this part here. Okay, we're going to go down. You're okay with that one? And that's it. Pretty easy, guys. They're really easy, not too hard. And that's star test stuff. This is the star test level questions, okay? Which is equivalent. So you basically want to add them up, take care of like all the stuff that's similar, put them together. It's called collect like terms, okay? So in this first one, I'm gonna have a negative r squared. And then this one here, I have a minus 6r squared. That's these two. And then with the r's, we'll go this one here and this one here. Plus 7r plus 5r. And then this squiggly line, plus 10 minus 18. This right here gives me negative 7r squared. This gives me plus 12r. This gives me minus 8. Yeah, there it is. 17. Wow. Okay, which is domain and range? Ooh, great. So, okay. Remember how to do this one real quick? Okay, let's just graph on the counter. Okay, so if you saw this, that would be going to the right 17, then you go up 61. So you're here at 1761. This one makes it open down. Smaller number, the wider it is. So I don't know how wide it goes. It probably goes pretty wide. I don't know if it crosses it on what side. Okay, but I want you to do this one. Domain's going to be all real numbers because it goes forever to the left or to the right. Range. This is the highest, guys. 61. And then it goes down. So anything less than that. Ooh, this is right here. Wrong here. Has to be that one. This is the way you should do it in case you remember that part. Turn the calculator. Bring this thing over. Turn on new document. No. Graphs. You don't have to remember this stuff. Remember I told you the calculator will do everything for you. X minus 17 squared plus 61. And there's that. You can see how it goes up. So I'm going to just go to menu. I'm going to go, actually, I'm going to go to zoom and out. Okay, so I can see it way up there now. Okay, I'm going to go to menu. I'll go to analyze graph. I'm going to go to maximum. I'll go from here to here. Shows me 1761. So make sure you know that it does come down like this. It does come down like this. The highest it goes up is 61. Okay, the first to the right is 17. Not the first, but the right. For checks movement from left to right, coming from 0 this way to 17 and up 61. All real numbers, because it goes further left and further right, and that's your domain. The highest it goes, and the y values are anything below this, so anything below or equal to 61. Oh no, X. Oh yeah. And this is your y right here. All of that, the g of x, all of that is equal to y. So then your range is this. Yep. The value is less than or equal to 61. An exponential function is graphed in the grid. Which function is best described? Okay, so we basically want to go through 6 and pretty close over here. So I'm just going to graph it. I'm just going to graph it. Let's see which one looks like the resembles it the most. Graph. Remember, this is graph it as y equals. Six times 1/3. Oh, 2x. No, we don't want that. Press tab, go up. It's going to be raised to the x. And there it is. Ooh, that looks a lot like it. Ooh. Ooh, man. That one looks a lot like it. I'm not going to lie, that looks wow like it. Here across the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6. It comes really close down to 3. Let me check the other ones. I'm going to take this one. You see, that's linear. That's a line. And that's going to be pretty steep. Wrong. That one's linear. Guys, the reason I know it's linear because it's like 2x. Like 3x plus 4. You see how it's power of 1? Here, that's a power of x. Totally different. So this one's wrong. This one's wrong. We want this curveness. I think it looks like that one. We don't. Well, I'm just going to try the other one. Press tab. I'll press tab. What? Tab. And then I'm going to type in that one. 6 minus. I'm going to do the thing. Control fraction of 1/3. All of that raised to the x. Not even close. 8. Ooh, I don't know what to tell you on this one. This one's kind of easy, not too bad. I'll tell you this much. Do you see how this is my y-intercept right there of 0? See that plus 0, plus 0? These two have a -9, so that's not it. Now here's the position of this one. You know, I'm going to graph it on the calculator. Turn on, new calculator. Move this up. It's going to be x squared minus 6x. Ooh, wow, that looks like it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, let's try the other one. Tab, graph for this one. Oops. X squared plus 6x. Ooh, okay. It's definitely the blue one, which is going to be minus 6x. What is a positive solution? Okay, so that one you cannot graph like that. You cannot graph. Actually, you can do several things in this one. You can go ahead and solve, or you can graph it. Pay attention to the graphing, guys. It has to be equal to 0. So you can't do it like that. So you have to get 4x squared plus 12x equals 135. Minus 135. Minus 135. These cancel out here. We go 4x squared plus 12x minus 135 is equal to 0. Now you can graph this. Okay. Okay, let me go back over here. Do you know why I can end solve? Because there's an equal sign and there's one variable. I'll do both.